it's me, Ren, and today I'm going to be doing a stock portfolio update and why I have the stocks I have. And then also I'm going to be shouting out a YouTuber named TopHatCoins. So, TopHatCoins is a coin collector channel. He talks about collecting old coins, collecting dollar bills. He talks about valuable coins that you can sell for a lot more than like coin face value. He talks about silver stacking. He has very entertaining videos, and his videos have a lot of information about the coins. He is also doing a giveaway because he hit 200 subscribers. So congrats, TopHatCoins, for hitting 200 subscribers. His giveaway is if he can hit 350 subscribers by Thanksgiving, he is going to give away a Canadian coin and then another coin, I don't remember what it is, to a lucky winner, which is really cool. So go check him out. Maybe enter that giveaway and go watch some of his videos. Subscribe to him if you like his channel. And now let's go into my stock portfolio update. Hey guys, so I am now on Robinhood, and looks like my portfolio is up $40.62, always fluctuating. In the last week, it is down. Okay, I accidentally said up. It's down $4.40. And then in the last week, it's been down $35. And in the last month, it's been down $37. In the last 3 months, it's been up $5. In the last 1 year, it's been up $110. And in all time, so the whole time I've been investing, my portfolio has gone up $166. With all the stocks I have. This number that says investing, that's just the amount of money I have in here. Buying power is how much money I have that I can buy stuff with. If you want to learn how to use this app, go check out my video where I teach you guys how to use Robinhood. There will be a little icon that pops up in the corner somewhere that you can click and it'll take you there. My portfolio is mostly down because of the uncertainty in the markets, and it's kind of bad, but whatever, because I still made money. So just making sure there's no personal information right here. Okay, I made $4.28 on the stock Zynga. Zynga is a company that makes mobile games, and they have been up a lot, but since all the uncertainty started, they've been down. But that's with like almost every company. They make mobile games, so they could do really good when everyone's on lockdown and bored. And I have made $4 from that stock. This is Krobus Pharmaceutical. This was just a free stock I got for signing up for Robinhood. It's only worth $1, but I didn't even buy this, so it's just a free dollar in my account, which is pretty cool. This is Apple Hospitality, one of my favorite stocks, and here's why. It has a 63% buy. It has a pretty good dividend, 9.97, but it's not paying it right now because they had to stop paying it because the company was pretty down. I bought this stock at $9.20 per share, and I have 2 shares, and I've made $6. The next stock I want to show is B2 Gold. This stock is I don't know, it's just a really good stock. I don't know what it is exactly, but it's made me $1.22. This is B2 Gold. I think it's a mining gold company. The next one I want to show is Yamaha Gold. I actually think I've already shown this one. This is a mining company that's made me $1.39. I bought it at $4 a share, and I love this stock because when the markets are down, this stock is most of the time up. And this is my portfolio so far. I think I'm going to do periodic updates of my portfolio throughout the time I invest and show you what's going on. This is my watch list. These are just stocks I'm watching to see like what they do. Hope you liked the video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share this video with all your friends. If you want me to post any certain videos or you have ideas for me, you can comment those in the comment section and I will hopefully respond. And if I leave a heart on your comment, that means I've seen it. And I will like try to make a video on the thing you want to learn about. So if you want to learn about anything silver related, stock related, or even money related, just tell me in the comment section below. Goodbye! This is where I disappear.